Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to add gender on Instagram. Maybe you want to add your gender on your Instagram profile but you don't know how. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can add your gender on your Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then in here, tap on this profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you'll see here the edit profile below your profile picture. Tap on edit profile. And then in here, you'll see here your gender. In here, tap on this button and you can choose your gender as female, male, custom, or prefer not to say. For example, I'll set it to male. And then in here, tap on this check button. And again, this check button. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can add your gender on your Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can add your gender on your Instagram profile, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.